Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal's charitable donations. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your PayPal account, which you can do on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now, once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the charitable donations section. All you got to do is click on profile or settings, and then select account settings or account information, and you got to scroll down to the charitable donations section. Now, to enroll in the PayPal giving funds, just click on enroll or join to participate in PayPal giving fund. Now, review and agree to the terms and conditions, and then we're going to move on to add a favorite charity. So you can search for your favorite charity using the search bar. You can also select the charity that you want to support, and then click add to favorites to save the charity for future donations. Next up is to set up recurring donations. Of course, this is optional, but if you want to do it, here's how you're going to do that. First, you just go to the charitable donations section and then click on recurring donations, and then you want to select the charity and set the duration, amount, and frequency. Now, to donate using PayPal checkout, what you want to do is, when checking out on a participating website, just select PayPal as your payment method and choose to donate a portion of your purchase to charity. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up PayPal's charitable donations. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.